You see the mess, I see the mess. Welcome back. This is dad time, and this is the time that I have as a dad out here in the garage. So, I wanted to make this video as a documentary, and this will be one of a series. But I have currently enrolled in a welding course. This is my very first oxyacetylene weld. And the reason why I'm bringing this up is because I want to document the entire process. I've got a little bit of a booger there and a little bit of a booger there, but I'm super proud about that bead. Cool. That's number one. Number two, if you were 17, 18, 19, 20 years old and you have no idea what to do with your life, I would strongly recommend you going into one of the trades. Go down to Votec or your local community college and just look into the courses that are available, whether it be welding or carpentry, art, or mechanic. Body work, doesn't matter. Go ahead and get enrolled in one of those if you have zero direction. I am in my 30s and I have no idea what I'm going to do with the rest of my life, which is why I am actually starting a welding program, seeing as how I'm relatively mechanically sound, whether that be automotive or small engine. I know how to build things. I've done stick frames. I've done fab work, all that fun stuff. But what I don't have in my arsenal is welding. So I'm actually looking to make welding into a career. You may notice the new garb, got leather sleeves and fire retardant and whatever. So that is my strong recommendation, guys. There will be more boot videos, I promise to you. I'm looking at a mock toe in the very near future, but for the time being, I am enrolled in a welding course, and I wanted to bring you guys along with it. I have yet to clear video with my instructor, but at the same time, I don't think it's going to be an issue, seeing as how we all have individual booths. Whether it be welding or grinding or whatever else have you. Thank you, COVID, whatever you want to call it. Anyhow, in the background, in the very beginning of the video, you may have noticed a myriad of just kind of random crap. All right. This welder is probably older than my father and myself combined. I've got a Harbor Freight grinder, a myriad of wheels, an ancient and archaic welding helmet, and some more Harbor Freight things, guys. So, I'm not really trying to invest a whole lot of money right off the bat. I'm just trying to test the waters out. And I'll be honest with you, I have never had so much fun regarding a class as I have with the welding course. So, like I said, if you're young, you have zero direction, you have no idea what's going on, and don't know what to do, take a course, educate yourself, learn a new skill. Like I said, that could be, welding, carpentry, mechanic, auto mechanic. It doesn't matter. Just go ahead and get into a course where you're working with your hands so you learn a valuable skill. That's pretty much all I've got for you today. Again, I'm just documenting my very first weld. And there will be more videos to come based around the subject of welding and welding courses. So appreciate you guys watching. Like it if you want, comment if you want. I will respond back. If you want to subscribe, really this is dad time. So I know that some of my videos in the past have been a little bit quote unquote aggressive. Whatever. And just something that I'm trying to work through. So appreciate you guys watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.